Hi guys, welcome to Daily Functional Medicine Tips. I'm Paige Lynch, functional medicine nurse practitioner, and it is Mindset Monday. So I've been debating how I'm gonna put this video out because I know what I'm gonna talk about may be a little bit controversial, but it's something that I'm super passionate about. I talked to all my patients about it, and after I had this conversation with one of my dear friends over the weekend, I knew that it was just something that I needed to discuss here with my social media community, and we all need to change in our mindset. So let's get into it. It's the concept of creating health and how shifting your intention on a daily basis to how you can create health in your body. So this is a big change because normally what we do is we kind of just like move through our day and we eat and we exercise or not exercise, or we manage our stress or we don't, or we sleep or we don't, or all these other things. And we never take into consideration our body and how our body is affected by all this. Inevitably what happens, things in our body, whether it's our hormones or whether it's our weight, something in our brain, headaches, skin, any of that stuff, it starts malfunctioning, as in it's not functioning in the way that we want it to or we think it should. And so then we end up with some type of illness, disease, something like that. We go to the doctor, we get a diagnosis for this, what really is a symptom. Okay, it's not the root cause of anything. It's a symptom that you're getting a diagnosis for, and you're given a medication to cover up the problem. The problem is that with this type of thinking is no one's ever taking a step back and going, what's actually causing this? No one's ever looking and going, okay, well, am I eating to nourish my body? Am I exercising or doing movement that helps me have mobility and strength? Am I working on ways to care for my mental health and my spiritual health so I can manage stress and have resilience? Am I making sure I'm taking in the actual nutrients that I need to have a good immune system? So it's this completely different mindset of moving through your day in a way that you're creating health. Because I'm going to tell you right now, being overweight is not the root cause of your problem, and fixing your weight problem will not make you happy and it will not solve your problem. Going to a dermatologist and getting some creams for your acne is not the root cause of your acne. And getting rid of your acne will not cause the malfunctioning that's happening in your body. If you're having issues with fertility and it's not something that you were born with, where you're missing parts that are required to carry a baby, or your uterus is, shaped unusually or something like that, if you have fertility problems that are specifically related to hormones, taking medications to boost those hormones, that's not fixing the root problem. So you have to shift your mindset to how can you spend every day of your life creating health, creating the body, creating the mind, and creating the spirit that you want to have the health that you see yourself having. Because I will tell you right now, if you go and you have surgery to lose 200 pounds, you're not fixing the root cause of what's causing you to emotionally eat or what's causing your hunger hormones to be out of balance that's making you feel hungry all the time. You're not fixing that problem. If you put that cream on your face for the acne and you actually have a dairy allergy, that dairy allergy is just going to show up somewhere else in your body, and it's likely going to look like a GI disturbance or an autoimmune disorder. So your skin and your weight and your fertility issues and your hair falling out and your skin being dry and you not being able to wake up in the morning and not fall asleep at night, that's your body communicating to you. And that's your body asking you to take care of it. So I know that there's something small in your life that you want a doctor to fix for you or a pill to fix for you quickly, because we all want fast results. But I'm telling you, you can learn how to create health. You can learn how to take care of your body in a way that you're nourishing it, that it's gonna function the exact way that you want it to. Because I guarantee you, when you wake up in the morning and you go downstairs and you try to decide what you're gonna have for breakfast, if you take one extra second and say, what is it exactly that my body wants right now? What could I do to nourish my body so I can have the kind of day that I want? You're not gonna choose some sugary cereal. You're not gonna choose a donut. Because there's no one on this planet who can look me dead in the eye and say, I am my healthiest when I'm eating donuts 4 times a day. We all know that that's not true. Yes, I do have treats. I had cookie dough last night, okay? But I eat to nourish my body for nourishment, to get my nutrients, to get my macronutrients, my micronutrients, all the minerals that I need. And my body is resilient enough that I can eat cookie dough. And my patients are the same way. I absolutely love when they tell me that they go on vacation and they had a couple meals that, gave them a headache or whatever, but they didn't gain weight, and they came back home and they started eating the way that they like to eat and what's making them feel good. Because that's different. You're in tune with your body. You know what your body is asking for, and you eat to nourish it. You eat to care for it. So I'm not gonna dig deeper into exercise today, because that's just a whole nother can of worms that I'm sure is just gonna get me a lot more criticism and pushback from people. But I will tell you, the best way to care for your body is gentle movement to keep you mobile and strong. And I don't mean big ripped biceps, and I don't mean being able to put your foot behind your head. That's not what I mean. So the point of today, Mindset Monday, daily functional medicine tips, is this. See what would happen if you shifted your mindset from fixing individual problems, fixing individual symptoms, to using your day to create health. Create the life, the body, the energy that you want. Because I'm promising you that you can have it, and you can learn these things. And then you won't need those doctors, and you won't need your health insurance. I mean, God forbid, traumatic accident, we can't obviously take those away. But you're not gonna have all those chronic illnesses, diabetes, obesity, metabolic syndrome, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, heart disease, all of these things, Alzheimer's, dementia, cancer, all of them, they're lifestyle. They're lifestyle. We all know. Stress and lifestyle. So let me know if you guys have questions. Sorry in advance if I'm making some of you angry by telling you that most of the diagnoses that you have are likely related to the lifestyle that you have. I really want I want us all to start creating health. Genetics is a real big thing, and in functional medicine, we're really getting into genetics and how, your lifestyle and your genetics work together to create genetic predisposition to disease. So that's something that's really interesting to me. I love working with people who have, long family history of different diseases, and what we're learning about things that you can change in your lifestyle to prevent them. It's very, very interesting to me. So I know everyone's life circumstances are different, but if you know that there's things that you could change in your life, your lifestyle, and you just need some support or some help, comment, send me a direct message. I would love to discuss it with you. I would love to weigh in. I'm obviously open to feedback. I love for people to tell me that I'm wrong, because I'm a lifelong learner. I want to learn things. So teach me. All right, let me go. If you guys have any questions, if you have any suggestions for other things that you want to hear or learn about on daily functional medicine tips, I would love to hear them. I want to engage with you guys. And yeah, I'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. Please click the subscribe button. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Make sure you click the thumbs up if you liked this video, and also comment below if you have any questions or you have any requests for other videos. I can't wait to talk with you.